In this problem, you will classify functions as linear or nonlinear. The area, A, in square inches of a pizza is a function of its radius, r, in inches. Graph the function shown by the table. Is the function linear or nonlinear? What do you know? You know that the relationship shown in the table is a function. What do you need? You need to classify the function as linear or nonlinear. What's your plan? Use the table to make a graph. Use the table to graph the area, A, as a function of the radius, r. Use the horizontal axis for the radius, r, the independent variable. Use the vertical axis for the area, A, the dependent variable. Plot points corresponding to the values in the table. How can a graph tell you if a function is linear or nonlinear? The graph of a linear function is a non-vertical line or part of a line, but the graph of a nonlinear function is not. The graph is a curve, not a line, so the function is nonlinear. The cost, C, in dollars, of the sauce for a pizza is a function of the weight, W, in ounces, of sauce used. Graph the function shown by the table. Is the function linear or nonlinear? Use the table to plot a graph of the cost, C, as a function of the weight of sauce used, W. Use the horizontal axis for the weight, W, the independent variable. Use the vertical axis for the cost, C, the dependent variable. Plot points corresponding to the values in the table. The graph is a line, so the function is linear.